Here we have a 1987 Cadillac Allante convertible. This example was imported from California in 2009 and as you can see is in outstanding unrestored condition with exceptionally low mileage. These cars were originally designed to compete with the Mercedes-Benz SL range and the Jaguar XJS. The Allante was a unique combination of Pininfarina styling and a powerful 4.1 litre V8 engine. The bodies were designed and manufactured in Italy and then shipped to the US, where the bodies were mated to the American chassis and engine. These examples were considered to be the height of US luxury at the time.